I'm Brad Nesbit. I'm the drummer for Gray Areas. I've been playing drums for about 20 years now. The size drumstick I use is 5A. I like Collision Drumsticks mainly because of the fact that they're well-balanced sticks, they're very tough, and they feel good. So, without further ado, we're going to do a playthrough of one of our songs called Burial. Hope you enjoy it.
Eyes wide open, 6 feet below. I'm alive but nobody knows. Trapped inside with no place to go. Breathing shadow, the clock is ticking. Must break out of my life is out. Buried alive, someone help me. Buried alive, face no mistake. Buried alive, someone help me. Buried alive, death comes for me. How did I get here? What have they done? I don't belong here, I'm much too young. The darkness holds me, I can't escape. Is this my ending? Is this my fate? No one hears my scream, there's nothing I can do. Suffocating me, dirt is pouring through. Desperation, my eyes are burning. Lips for dead, the world's a shadow. Along my way, fingers are bleeding. Break the wood, maybe I'm driving. Buried alive, someone help me. Buried alive, face no mistake. Buried alive, someone help me. Buried alive, death comes for me. The dirt it loosens, my hands are free. A glimmer of hope washes over me. I rise and struggle, but the box won't bend. Drowning in my sorrow, I await my end.